Hey everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to make a brand new recipe, the ramen burger. Ain't no way you gonna do that, brother. So I start with any brand or flavor of ramen noodles. I boiled them and strained them. I'm making a large batch, so I'm using 5 packages of ramen, and I like to use 1 egg per package of ramen. So I'll beat the eggs. I can add sea salt, black pepper, and granulated garlic, just a few pinches of each. Dump the egg mixture onto my ramen noodles. Combine the eggs with the noodles. You can use any type of round container to form your buns. Today we're gonna use these scallop-shaped ramekins. Just fill your container with the ramen noodles. Cover with plastic wrap. Put another one on top to press it down and repeat the process. Then we can put our ramen in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. And now we're gonna make the sauce. I started out with roughly 1 cup of KC Masterpiece. I like Mr. Yoshida's teriyaki sauce, just a little bit in there. 1 or 2 tablespoons, followed by a 1/4 cup of chopped green onion. I have the Blackstone Griddle on high, throw down a little light olive oil, and now the moment you've been waiting for. We can grab our container of ramen, followed by Angus beef patties. You can season those any way you want to. I'm just gonna use granulated garlic and black pepper. Finally, strips of turkey bacon. I actually tested regular bacon and uncured turkey bacon. I preferred turkey bacon with this recipe. It's been about 5 minutes, so we can turn our ramen buns. We can flip our Angus patties. Woo! Look at that sear. And we can turn our bacon. The patties are about 3/4 of the way done, so I will glaze each one with that sauce. Let's plate one of these up. Ramen patty, Angus burger patty, 2 strips of turkey bacon, and I'll garnish mine with just a little bit of shredded lettuce. The ramen burger. And I did it all on the Blackstone.